Hey guys, just wanted to bring you down to our warehouse. This is where we keep all of our overflow of used lawnmowers. We've got all different brands, models, sizes, engines, options, tons and tons of them. And what's crazy is all of these will probably be sold in the next 30 to 45 days. And I've already got hundreds and hundreds more units coming that are pledged that will start arriving over the next month or two. So if you're in the market for a used lawnmower, maybe just a mower, and you don't know whether you want new or used, and you started to see some pricing of some new lawnmowers and realize how crazy the prices have gotten, but you still want a good quality machine, we've got stuff in every price range. Whether you need something really basic or whether you need something that is top of the line but don't want to spend $20,000. Maybe you only want to spend $10,000 and get a $20,000 quality lawnmower. So we've got them for you, and check us out, getmowers.com. Check us out on our social media platforms. We're constantly bringing more content. But if you're in the market for a mower, specifically a used mower, check us out first. We have the largest selection of any company in the country, and we are constantly getting more and more loads of mowers. So check us out at getmowers.com, like and subscribe, and hopefully you like the content. Thanks.